Hey, just in case you don't know yet, there is actually an easy way to make money online without really that much of an effort. It doesn't need experience, and you don't even have to spend so much time, so you can still do anything you want throughout the day, and you will still have a continuous income just by doing this easy strategy. Many people from all over the world now are making $100, $400, or even more daily by utilizing this website that I am going to show you later. Continue to watch until the end as I guide you through everything in detail, including how to sign up for free and, most importantly, provide some additional methods to earn double and much more quickly, because that is what we are all about. Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. The method I will be teaching about today is for anyone and everyone. It is accessible all over the world, and it's an easy way to make money just by using your laptop. And you might also even be able to earn a full-time job with just a part-time commitment. Just a reminder, no skills or college degrees are necessary. And the money you can earn go to a PayPal account or straight in your bank account. Now, going back to the video, I firstly recommend that you go to pexels.com, where you can download pictures just for free. Then, what you will be looking for here are black and white photos without other colors. By using all these black and white images that are available on the site, you can make money online. Now, keep your tab just right there, and we will open another tab. The next website that we will be using is called Colorize.sg. What it does is, on this website, you can add color to your black and white images. For example, if your design is colorless, similar to those in this section, you can use this site for free to convert them to colored photos that can help you earn more money online. If you look down below, you can see on this page here where you can upload a black and white photograph and edit it to make it a colored image. If you look closely, you'll notice that there is a "I'm not a robot" button. All you have to do is click that, then you can select a photograph, preferably one in black and white, which you can edit to make it colored. Remember that you can do this as well as on your smartphone. As seen here, when you click on this bar right here and gradually work your way up to the left, and slowly colors are being added to the photographs. With a single button press and simply by uploading photos, this is something you can do on this website for no cost and no previous knowledge or experience. The final outcome can be uploaded by simply clicking on this red button, and later on it will begin downloading. You could look at this image on your computer, but you can also do this on your phone, and there will be no distinction. You don't even have to make an account. Therefore, this is a fantastic opportunity to make money. You can color the second image simply by pressing on this button to make a completely new colored image. Changing a black and white image into a colored one using the sliding bar in this place is really easy to do. Once more, make sure to finish this video because I'll demonstrate how to use it, and I will show you a website and service to use for your advantage, increasing your income online. Now let me show you another thing that you can do with these images that later on you can utilize to make money. So earlier we colorized black and white photos. This time we can erase backgrounds using the website called erase.bg. Just like the earlier website, it is very easy to do. In essence, you can achieve this automatically and with no cost on this website. For example, if you have a picture and you don't like the background, it could be an ugly place or other people or trees and stuff. This website allows you to remove the background. Thus, the subject is the only thing that can be seen, and you can use it to paste it to other backgrounds that you would like. Now, what you want to do is click on the Upload Image button to upload your photo and start removing the background of that photo. I'll show you a few ways to actually make real money right now, making use of the websites I showed you earlier, and you can earn a couple of bucks, preferably $10 to $20, whenever you remove the background or colorize a photo. Now, the first website that you can use is Fiverr.com. Now, this website is the most popular one because there are actually a lot of people looking for services here at Fiverr. If you would go to the search bar here and look for colored images, you will see that there are so many people who are also doing this, and they are making money just by colorizing these photos. The same thing will happen if you look for remove image background. There are people who do this for a living. Now, what you need to do is simply click this green button to get started. Click the seller button, then enter your email address, then click the proceed button. Now you can create a gig that will catch people's attention. And from there, you can sell your services to people who are looking for background removal or colored images. Another website similar to Fiverr.com is called peopleperhour.com. This website does the same thing as Fiverr.com. And here, you will also see individuals doing these services for up to $40 just by removing a background. You can make money like what other people are doing on these websites. Now, if you are earning using these websites, then let me know in the comments. Alright, and that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.